Hello students, welcome to our classroom. Our third chapter, Chemical Messages for Homeostasis. In the last class, we discussed about hormones. Hormones are chemical messengers that regulate cellular activities, and these hormones are transported through the blood. It doesn't have particular duct, and these hormones reaches the cell where it has specific receptor. So the cells which have specific receptor is called hormone receptor complex. Also we discussed about the pancreas, which is a gland that contains cluster of cells called islets of Langerhans. And these islets of Langerhans constitute two cells. One is a beta cell and another one is a alpha cells. Beta cell secretes insulin and alpha cell secretes glucagon. The normal blood glucose level is 70 to 110 milligram per 100 ml. Our next topic is how we can regulate the blood glucose level in our body. Let's have a look. When the blood glucose level increases in the body, the beta cells in the islets of Langerhans secrete a hormone called insulin. This insulin accelerates the cellular uptake of glucose molecules, and also it converts glucose into glycogen, and it is stored in the liver and muscles, and thus the glucose level becomes normal. When the blood glucose level decreases, the alpha cells in the islets of Langerhans secrete a hormone called glucagon. It converts glycogen, which is stored in the liver, to glucose, and it also synthesizes glucose from amino acid. Next is diabetes. Due to the destruction of beta cells, the production of insulin decreases, or the inability of the cells to utilize the insulin produced raises the level of glucose in the blood. Excess glucose in the blood is expelled through the urine. Normally, there is no glucose in the urine. When the level of glucose before breakfast is above 126 milligram per 100 ml of blood, that person is having diabetic. The symptoms of diabetes are increased appetite and thirst, frequent urination. Metabolism. It is a chemical process that occurs within the living organism in order to maintain life. The metabolic activities includes both anabolic and catabolic process. The thyroid gland is the main endocrine gland that controls the metabolic activities. And these metabolic activities are also under the control of the hormones. Thyroid gland secretes two hormones, thyroxine and calcitonin. Functions are: increases energy production, raises the rate of metabolic activities, accelerates the growth and the development of the brain in the fetal stage and infancy, regulates the growth in the children. Hypothyroidism is a condition in which the production of thyroxine decreases. The diseases affecting hypothyroidism are cretinism and myxedema. In cretinism, the decrease in production of thyroxine during the fetal stage or infancy hinders proper physical and mental development. Myxedema means prolonged deficiency of thyroxine in adult leads to the condition called myxedema. Symptoms are low metabolic rate, sluggishness, increase in body weight, hypertension, inflammations in the body tissues. Next is hyperthyroidism. It is a condition in which all life activities controlled by thyroxine accelerate due to the continuous and excessive production of thyroxine. Symptoms of hyperthyroidism are high metabolic rate, it rises in body temperature, excessive sweating, increased heartbeat, weight loss, and emotional imbalance. Next is goiter. Iodine is essential for the production of thyroxine. If the production of thyroxine is blocked in the absence of iodine, the thyroid gland enlarges. Thyroid gland secretes another hormone called calcitonin. The normal level of calcium in the blood is 9 to 11 mg per 100 ml. When the blood calcium level increases, the thyroid gland secretes a hormone called calcitonin, and when the blood calcium level decreases, the parathyroid gland secretes a hormone called parathormone. Now let's learn how we can regulate the calcium in the blood. When the blood calcium level increases, the thyroid gland secretes a hormone called calcitonin. It prevents the process of mixing of calcium from the bones to the blood, and also it stores excess calcium from the blood to the bones. When the blood calcium level decreases, the parathyroid gland secretes a hormone called parathormone. It reabsorbs calcium from the kidney to the blood, and also it prevents the storage of calcium in bones.